Hey girl, hey, and welcome to Tay Fit. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Great Value Red Fruit Smoothie. This is a single serving smoothie packet that contains strawberries, bananas, dark sweet cherries, dragon fruit, and cranberries. I got this at my local Walmart for $1.58, and it's only 150 calories, okay? So you just can't beat that. Now, for the actual smoothie, all you need to do is combine 12 fluid ounces of your favorite water, your favorite juice, or your favorite milk product to get the perfect smoothie. But also what I love most is that you can even add your own protein powder and your own sweeteners depending on how you like your smoothie. But in today's video, I'll just be using the fruit that I got from Walmart along with my coconut water here. So as you guys can see, I'll be using my NutriBullet. I just go ahead and pour all of the fruit into my cup, and as you guys can see, there's all of the fruit that it has in it. I'm really excited to try this because I never had a smoothie with dark sweet cherries before, so that'll be great. So I just shook up my coconut water there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it all the way up to the max line on my NutriBullet cup. And that is pretty much it, girl. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cover on this. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it really quickly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my NutriBullet. Now for this smoothie, you really only need to blend for about 20 to 30 seconds, depending on how you like your smoothie. When I don't use ice, I don't like to blend my smoothie too much because it can get watery real fast. So as you guys can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in my glass here. It has a really nice consistency, and yeah, y'all, it was really good. Next time I will be adding my own sweetener, and I also want to try with protein powder, but I really just wanted to use coconut water for this because I wanted to taste the fruit and see if I can really be able to taste the cherries. And to me, it doesn't have that much of a flavor, but for $1.58, I definitely think it's worth it, just being that you can add stuff to it the way you want to, girl. But I just went ahead to take a little taste, you know, and it was amazing. So I definitely do recommend you guys try the Great Value smoothie packets at your local Walmart. Thanks for watching.